Learning with Speaking Friends Center. Reading 1. Basic. I see a cake. It is pink. Again. I see a cake. It is pink. Your turn. I see a pen. It is blue. Again. I see a pen. It is blue. Your turn. I see a cucumber. It is green. Again. I see a cucumber. It is green. Your turn. I see a key. It is brown. Again. I see a key. It is brown. Your turn. I see a cat. It is black. Again. I see a cat. It is black. Your turn. I see a fish. It is orange. Again. I see a fish. It is orange. Your turn. I see an elephant. It is gray. Again. I see an elephant. It is gray. Your turn. I see an apple. It is red. Again. I see an apple. It is red. Your turn. I see an umbrella. It is yellow. Again. I see an umbrella. It is yellow. Your turn. I see an egg. It is white. Again. I see an egg. It is white. Your turn. I see an eggplant. It is purple. Again. I see an eggplant. It is purple. Your turn. I see an airplane. It is silver. Again. I see an airplane. It is silver. Your turn. Reading 2. Basic. I have 2 bananas. They are yummy. Again. I have 2 bananas. They are yummy. Your turn. I have 5 kiwi fruits. They are juicy. Again. I have 5 kiwi fruits. They are juicy. I have 6 carrots. They are crunchy. Again. I have 6 carrots. They are crunchy. Your turn. I have 8 grapes. They are sweet. Again. I have 8 grapes. They are sweet. Your turn. I have 3 tomatoes. They are ripe. Again, I have 3 tomatoes. They are ripe. Your turn. I have 9 strawberries. They are delicious. Again, I have 9 strawberries. They are delicious. Your turn. I have 4 oranges. They are tangy. Again, I have 4 oranges. They are tangy. Your turn. Reading 3. Basic. She has a dog. It is cute. Again, she has a dog. It is cute. Your turn. She has a car. It is fast. Again, she has a car. It is fast. Your turn. She has a cat. It is playful. Again, she has a cat. It is playful. Your turn. She has a phone. It is new. Again, she has a phone. It is new. Your turn. She has a restaurant. It is popular. Again, she has a restaurant. It is popular. Your turn. He has a laptop. It is expensive. Again, he has a laptop. It is expensive. Your turn. He has a bike. is old. Again, he has a bike. It is old. Your turn. He has a garden. It is beautiful. Again, he has a garden. It is beautiful. Your turn. He has a house. It is big. Again, he has a house. It is big. Your turn. He has a tree house. It is cozy. Again, he has a tree house. It is cozy. Your turn.